In the video today, I'm walking you through how to master reset your Samsung Galaxy S26. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is swipe down from the top of the screen, tap on the settings wheel in the upper right corner. From here, go down to Accounts and Backup and go to Manage Accounts. Now here you'll find all the Google accounts that are saved on the phone. The first thing you need to do is tap on each Google account and simply hit Remove Account. And you're going to have to do this for every single Google account that's on the phone. The reason you have to do this is because if you don't, when you try to set the phone up like new, it will ask you for the password of the last Google account that was installed on the phone. So you want to make sure you remove them all. If not, you're going to give problems to the next person who uses the phone. The next thing is you will need to sign out of your Samsung account. And I can tap here and tap Remove Account, hit Remove. And it's basically going to verify, are you sure you want to remove all this data? I'm going to hit sign out. Now it will ask you to put in it basically wants to verify that you are the account owner to make sure that someone is not trying to basically remove your account without your permission. So in this case, it wants to send a text message to confirm that I am the owner of the account. So I'm going to hit confirm and I'm going to use my fingerprint to verify. Now once that text message comes through, you'll simply verify your account and then it will give you the option to remove the account. So now that it's fully removed, we can now back out and tap on our reset option here. We're going to swipe up and go to factory data reset. Now this is showing you all the things that are going to be removed because of the reset we're doing here. So I'm going to hit reset. Now the last step is usually you putting in your pattern or pin that is the lock for the phone. Once you do that, it'll take you to this last screen that you can basically tap delete all, and this will start the process. Now make sure before you do this, you've backed up all your data because once you start this, it cannot be reversed. I'm going to hit delete all, and now it's going to go right into that factory reset mode. Now this process can take anywhere from 2 minutes to 5 minutes, depending on how much you have saved from the phone. The best thing you can do is just not touch the phone, let it sit. You'll see it restart a couple of times, and that's totally normal. When it's done, it'll take you to a screen that will say welcome, and then it will give you the options to set up your account and all the data for the phone. So this is the end. This is everything you need to do to trigger the reset. Now, one important note, your phone will have to be on 30% battery life or higher before you start this process. If not, it will not allow you to reset it because it doesn't want your phone's battery to go dead while it is resetting the software. If that were to happen, you would not be able to use the phone anymore. It would brick the software. So you have to be above a certain charging threshold in order for this to work. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.